Today I will explain you what is deficit financing. So before going to deficit financing, we need to understand government budget, because this deficit financing is related with the government expenditure. In developing countries, generally the budget used to be a deficit budget. Now deficit budget means where the estimated expenditure of the government is more than the estimated revenue. So in order to meet that excess expenditure, government used to borrow from RBI. Government spends money on various social welfare issues to maintain the society, like government spends money on education, health, infrastructure, defense, and so many other expenses are there. So government spends money on these issues, and that is to maintain the social security, social welfare, and safety and security of the country. That is the responsibility of the elected government. Now, government has also got various sources of revenue from where they collect money, from where it gets income, money. So these sources can be of two types. One is your tax revenue, other is your non-tax revenue. I will speak about these things in my next video. Here I would like to tell you that deficit arises when expenditure, that is estimated expenditure, is more than the estimated revenue. Then what government will do? How government will meet the excess expenditure? For this, government has got left with two alternatives. One thing is they can borrow money from World Bank, they can borrow money from other countries. That is one option. The another option is they can borrow money from Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. So when government borrow money from RBI will issue new currency, print new currency, and provide that much money to the government. So that is called deficit financing. So government has got excess of expenditure over income. In order to meet that excess expenditure, government will borrow money from RBI. When government asks RBI to give loan or to give money, RBI will issue new currency and that will be provided to the government. That is fine. Now, what will happen? It seems to be very easy, but it is not like that. If RBI issue new currency and give to the government, it means that excess money is coming into circulation in the economy. When excess money comes into circulation in the economy, that will lead to inflation. The general price level of the commodities will increase because the value of the money will fall because of excess circulation of. If government borrow money from any external agency, they have to pay interest and the money is to be paid back. The financial burden on the government will increase. So here both the things are not good for any government. But still, as there is no other option, there is no other way, deficit financing is a suggested measure to meet the excess expenditure of the government, to meet the deficit in the budget.